Cancers, this reading might just change everything about your life. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the Gypsy Moon Child, and I am going to be doing a timeless reading for all the cancers out there, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. Timeless reading means that whenever you see this video, this message is for you, so it doesn't have any timeline attached to it. I've already shuffled my cards, and I'm going to pull two cards from the Rider Waite deck and one card from the Kipper deck for you. So let's get started. Give me two cards for cancers. Okay. For cancers. Mm-mm. Okay. Yes. Okay, Cancer. So we've got five of cups and five of wands for you, and the coffin card. Heavy reading ahead for you. And look who showed up in your reading, Cancers. I think he's gonna help me with it. Just kidding. Oh, okay, cancers. I feel in your past there was a situation where there were a lot of arguments with someone, and I think it was just not the two of you, it was more than two people involved. In that argument, there were a lot of people involved. Like, I think there was some sort of feud that you were a part of in the past, and there were a lot of people involved in it. And you're not able to move on from this. I know, cancers, you have a difficulty in forgetting things and moving on. But this whole situation has been all over your mind, and you've been regretting a lot of things that have happened in the past. And not I'm not saying that it was your fault or someone else's, but this whole situation is just bothering you till now, and you've not been able to move on from this whole situation. So I and this whole argument was bad because a lot of people were involved. Either it could be with your family or some friends, maybe, and you had a fall apart from those people. But right now, it's high time to put nails to that coffin and close it for good. This card doesn't mean someone is dying or is about to die, so do not worry. Cards do not predict that. But this means that you need to put nails on that coffin and end it for good. You need to close this chapter for good. You've been crying over spilled milk for far too long now. It was in the past. Whatever happened has already happened. It had to happen that way. Only you did not know better, the other people did not know better, and you had an argument. Close it close it for good, move on, because there are a lot of other good things that are waiting for you. If you see this card, five of cups, we have two other cups here waiting for you. All your focus is here, and you're not even looking at these new opportunities, the new blessings that are there to come in your life. Until you move on from this whole situation, good things won't come to you. You won't even see them because you are too focused on the past. You're crying over spilled milk, and it is the time you really need to look around. There are a lot of good things waiting for you, so just move on from this whole situation. I know it was bad, it is looking bad here. You had to like control a lot of emotions, you were suppressing a lot of emotions, and right now also you are suppressing a lot of emotions about it, a lot of feelings you're suppressing about this whole situation. But now, if you feel that you have not expressed it enough and you want to talk about it to someone, just do it, but then end it for good. Do not keep talking about it, and do not keep reviving it, keep reliving it. You need to move on from this whole situation. You need to get up and see the blessings that are waiting for you. There are good people as well. You have other people who are a blessing in your life, who want to be there for you, but you're just focused on this whole situation. So what's the point? You need to end this. You need to put a nail to this coffin. When it comes to your career, I feel there was some heated argument at your workplace, and you said some bad things because you were angry, and now you regret it. But because of this, things have ended. The door is closed. If you have no job now because of whatever you said, they might have fired you, or you might have resigned from your job. So if that is also the case, then also you need to move on, because whatever has happened had happened. A lot of you got carried away in this argument, be it in your career, your job, your business, or your personal life. You got carried away and you said some really nasty things to people, and you regret that. Okay, for some people, some nasty things have been said to you. and hence you're not able to move on from this. You still think about that argument and you regret not doing anything at that moment. You regret not saying anything to this person or this group, whoever has said or done bad things to you. Very difficult for you to usually take a stand for yourself, and that is why you regret not saying anything about it or not doing anything about the situation. When everyone was lashing out at you, you did not say anything, but what's done is done. You need to put an end to it. For some people this is still going on. You're still in this whole situation and you're regretting that why are you not doing anything about it, why you're not saying anything about it. But you need to end it. They have started it, you need to end it. I feel that this is a situation where whenever you guys talk, whenever you meet these people or whenever you talk to them, the whole conversation turns into an argument. So, and then you regret that why did you say this or why you didn't say this. But it's time for you to end this for good, at least close it from your end. If it has already happened and you're emotionally too involved in it, then there's also no point. You will never be able to come out of the situation. So you need to put an end to your feelings and emotions about it. Speak it out, write it down, burn the paper, do whatever you have to do. Meditate, cut your cords with it, write it down on the paper, burn it, speak it in front of someone who you feel is very close to you, and let it all go. Let basically you have to let your emotions go and move on from this whole situation and end it for good, be it about your career or your personal life, whatever. If this is currently happening with you, then just take a stand for yourself. Do not expect anyone else to take a stand for you, because no one will do it. You have to take your own stand and end it. Just tell them you're not interested in this whole argument anymore, or you're not interested in keeping a relationship with them. Cut your cords with them in the real world as well. So this was it for cancers. I hope it resonates with you. Share this with all the cancer people you know, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, love and light. Bye. Bye, bye.